Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2015 government pass question. Question number 46 says, in the pre-Hausa colonial system, the officer in charge of fishing activities was the dash. In the Hausa pre-colonial system, the officer in charge of fishing activities was the dash. And when we talk of Hausa pre-colonial system, means before the coming of the white men in Nigeria or into Nigeria land. So option A says Sake Norma, B says Sake Dogari, C says Sake Ruwa, D says Sake Power. And when we talk of Sake Power means defender of the territory. Sake Ruwa means officer in charge of water. And water covers the area of fishing. In the territory. So by this analysis, option C is correct. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.